Hey there. So all of you that know me know that I like to be real. I'm very transparent. I'm always positive. It's who I am. And a lot of people know that Sean and I have been married since 1996, together since 1992. Most people believe that we have always been happy. That is so not true. We went through what we call the dark years of our marriage. He was trying to divorce me, but couldn't find a lawyer he could afford. I was complacent. I felt stuck. What am I going to do? Oh, well, this is just how life is. But the way our marriage turned into what people see today took a lot of effort, a lot of time, a lot of care, but it worked. And that has become one of my passions. And just this morning, I decided, okay, wait, I need to be offering a coaching program based on this, based on my life story, because I've seen the results. It is possible. You have to do the work. You do. You as a wife, that's who I'm speaking to right now, is the wife. There's work involved. I know it's very easy to say it's his fault. He did this, he's doing that, he should be doing this. You can should all over everything. It's not going to help the situation. You need to make the first step. And that doesn't necessarily mean becoming a slave to your marriage. What I want to help you learn and walk out in your marriage, I want you to be the example. I had to be the example first before he followed. But once he followed, bam, that marriage was a totally different story. Totally different story. I firmly believe in protecting, preserving, and serving in your marriage. This is not one-sided at all. But it starts out that way. That's just being honest with you, okay? It starts out with you doing something about it. And I want to help you to achieve for your marriage what we have achieved for ours. What I did was the catalyst for this. I don't even want to say happily ever after, because happily ever after is a story that hasn't ended yet. Okay? There are always hiccups. But I live by those three things. I protect, I preserve, and I serve my marriage. That's a whole. Okay? I want to help you learn to do that. You may think you have a great marriage now, but are you prepared for when things sort of go south or have a big hiccup? Do you know what you're going to do? Start putting these things in place now so that you are protecting and preserving your marriage so that it serves you and him. Reach out to me. Please reach out to me. I would love to have a one-on-one with you and just talk. And if I can help you in that moment, I will help you in that moment. And if you want to work with me as a coach, great. You'll get everything I've done and am doing, okay, to protect and preserve and serve my marriage. But that free 1 hour is literally free, and I will help you with something during that time.